Mastering the phrase, pour the tea. Hello and welcome to today's English language lesson. Today we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, pour the tea. Whether you're a tea enthusiast or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video is for you. The phrase, pour the tea, literally refers to the action of transferring tea from a teapot into a cup. This can be a ceremonial process in some cultures and a daily routine in others. We'll explore the steps involved and the vocabulary associated with this simple yet profound phrase. Interestingly, pour the tea can also have a figurative meaning in English. It's a colloquial expression that means to share gossip or the latest news. We'll look into how this phrase is used in conversations and media, and why tea is associated with gossip. In this section, we'll go through various examples where the phrase can be applied. From literary extracts to dialogue from English movies, we'll see how pour the tea is used in both its literal and figurative senses. Now, let's practice saying the phrase together. We'll break it down into syllables, apply the correct intonation, and then use it in a sentence. Remember, practice makes perfect. Did you know that the act of pouring tea can be deeply cultural and symbolic? We'll dive into the cultural significance of tea in different countries and how it transcends into a universal language of hospitality. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of the phrase, pour the tea. I hope you found this lesson both informative and entertaining. Remember, language learning is a journey, so keep practicing and stay curious. Until next time, keep pouring and sharing the tea of knowledge.